Hey Web3.summer, my name is Richie. You can find me on the usual places. We're going to be launching 2023 very strongly because something super cool is happening and I'd like everybody to learn a little bit about it. It's called OCIF, that's the OCIF, On-Chain Innovation Funding. This takes staking to a whole nother level that you haven't heard about before. Let's learn more about it because it's by Invarch, it's on Tinkernet, and you need to know this of how you can participate and why. Before staking goes fully live on Tinkernet, they will have an incentivized public testing available to absolutely everybody, and you just need to make a few short preparations if you really want to get involved. On the 2nd of January, a bullish start to the new year for Polkadot. The testing will take place over a 30-day period. It must end by the 1st of February, and they do welcome all members of the Invarch community. But not only that, because absolutely anybody from .sama, Polkadot, the whole of the crypto space, you are welcome. Be sure to hop onto the Invarch community Discord server or any one of their social media channels. Information in the description link below. During this period, participants, they're going to be testing the On-Chain Innovation Funding's protocols and staking feature, and in return, they're going to be able to receive Tinker tokens from the prize pool. Each participant will be given 500 brainstorm test tokens, which is a symbol to use during the event to stake towards INV cores. They are the NFTs on the network. Now, it's really important to remember that during this event, the staking rewards received will be in the form of test tokens. However, users will be incentivized for their participation with Tinker tokens. When and how can you participate? A test token faucet will be made available at the start of the event on the Invarch Discord server, links in the description below. And to be prepared for the public testing, you need to do 3 simple things right now. Number 1, have a Talisman wallet extension installed on your browser. Number 2, make sure that you are a verified member on the Invarch Discord server. And number 3, follow the Invarch Tinkernet on Twitter to stay fully informed of exactly what's going to happen and keep up to date. Just an extra little tidbit, what is so cool about this? If we take a look at this graph here, by staking towards a project, an INV core, an NFT, Tinkernet community members are able to determine the distribution of funds which are derived from network inflation and reserved towards empowering creators. And in exchange, those who stake towards the OCIF receive rewards in the form of APY, which is determined by the staking participation rate of the network. This takes staking to a whole new level. The traditional stock market doesn't have this staking feature. That was a great thing about crypto and Web3 in general. However, this takes that boring mechanism that we all know very well, especially if you know DeFi, and it takes it to a whole new level, a way to really empower creators and help people to launch their project. If you're interested in the OCIF staking protocol, you know exactly what to do now. Thank you very much for listening. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because I'm coming up with new material each and every week, keeping you informed what's happening in .sama and Web3. We'll be seeing you in the next one.